Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Ethereum video update for Tuesday 9th of August. Alright, so we're looking at correction happening for Bitcoin market, just being overextended at the moment, and seems like you push to the upside, you try to break it out, make some little bit of a bad pattern right here, continuation pattern that you didn't break out to the upside, but you ended up breaking to the downside at the moment. So what you have right now is this trend line that I'm looking forward to, and you're probably coming down to backtest this level, right? And if you do actually end up being successful in backtesting that level, then you're looking for Ethereum to basically climb all the way up to $1,851. Now, nonetheless, $2,500 is still a technical target pending. And my take about it is that, this is nothing more than correction in the market. And the correction are actually healthy. They're not something bad. As long as you don't lose a particular support. So be in profits, take out your profits. If you see something bad, cancel the trade. It just works like that, okay? You're not guaranteed anything. If you see something fishy, you're not even guaranteed $2,500, even though that's the technical target. But whenever you're in profits, whenever you see something bad, you might want to take out your profits. And right now you are printing in some bad patterns right now. And there could be a possibility of actually try to go a little bit further more to the downside as well. So what I'm going to say is, let's take the fibs and let's try to figure out what the fibs are actually going to tell us here. So if you were to retrace, you might be retracing down to this technical target down at 1653, because that's going to be the golden ratio. So my take about it is right now, you've lost the 0.382. You might be coming down to 1683. The lower you can go is back down to 1618. Bounce off the 1618, and then you're good to go, probably to the upside. So that correction, it does make sense. You've been a little bit overextended right now on the charts, right? So you don't want to maybe come down to 1552, because that's going to be creating a big problem to drop down to 1357. So keep an eye on 1552. As long as you're above 1552, I think that's just correction phase. If you lose 1552, then it's going to be bigger correction, but perhaps really go to the downside and never go to $2,500. Stay alert, and that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.